What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about configuring your pfSense with DHCP Relay. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we configured DHCP services within Windows Server, which is great, right? We created a scope, but the problem is pfSense is actually providing DHCP services for us. We don't want that. We want Windows Server to manage the IP address, leasing or whatever you want to call it, right? So to do this, behind the scenes, I created a virtual machine called PC01, and I loaded up whatever browser the machine had. It had Microsoft Edge. I know it's not my favorite browser, but this is what the machine has. So I typed in the default gateway of my pfSense or the IP address to get into my pfSense, which was the following. If you've been checking out my series, it was 10.10.10.1, but I changed it to 192.168.1. That would be the new subnet for my environment. I hit enter. I'm going to get your connection is in private. I clicked on advance. I clicked on continue to whatever IP address you have. And within here, you provide your username and password. So if you've been checking my little series that I've been doing with my Proxmox stuff, I did change the username and password. So make sure you change it. I think the default one, if you did not change it, and I'm hoping you didn't change it. Don't leave the default one. That's a no-no. But the default one is admin and the password is pfSense, all lowercase. So enter that information, click on sign in. It's going to take you here to the dashboard. Nice little status. Everything is green. Perfect. Excellent. Yay. I'm going to click on services. It's going to give you a menu. And within here, we're going to click on DHCP Relay. So locate it and click on it. Bingo, got a nice little red banner. It says DHCP server is currently enabled, cannot enable the relay services because the server services is enabled. So we got to disable it. So from here, we're going to click on services again. We're going to click on DHCP server. It's super simple. Uncheck it. Scroll down. Click on save. Changes have been applied successfully. We're going to click on services. Now click on DHCP Relay. Now you have the option to enable it. So give it a check mark to enable it. The interface that we are going to set up our DHCP services is the LAN. And for the destination server, if you checked out the last video would be, the last video we set up the DHCP services. But the DHCP services, I installed it within my domain controller, and my domain controller's IP address is the following. 192.168.1.101. My brain just stopped there. But you enter the IP address of where your DHCP server is located, okay? Most likely, a lot of companies like to create a separate virtual machine or physical server with DHCP services. Because of limited resources, I just like to bundle everything in one machine. So once you enter that destination server, just click on save. Changes have been applied successfully, and then you're good to go. But when I created a new virtual machine, PC02 received an IP address from the scope, which was great. And hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.